Today is 6 weeks post-op, and I wanted to show you my scars. This is the partial. Still have one little steri strip on there. Looks pretty good though. And here's the total. Pretty good. As far as pain goes, every 4 hours round the clock, I'm taking 1 Advil and 1 Tylenol. The partial feels really good. It feels tight, but other than tight, there's almost never any pain. And the right, if I had to guess, I would say it's about 4 weeks behind the partial. That's just me guessing. But there's still a fair amount of pain with the full. But again, just taking 1 Tylenol, 1 Advil every 4 hours. And I can really bend the partial back. It's hard to tell with the sweatpants on, but I can really bend it back really well. I can hyperextend. I can also bring it back, you know, that's a good amount. The total, not near as much. I'm pushing it back, although today I will say I have seen improvement just today with how far I can bend it back. And I can't pull it up. Just about that much. I've started outpatient therapy, and I wanted to show you an exercise that they're having me do that I think is really helping. And here you can watch me walk. Other than walking slow, I feel like I'm walking pretty good. This is the exercise I feel like has helped me quite a bit with getting that total try to be more straight. This is a TheraBand the therapist gave me. They put it in a loop. Put the loop in the door. Put your foot in there. Put it behind the knee. And then pull it back. Hold for 3 seconds. Release. 15 of those. And I really feel like that is actually doing something. I started driving at 5 weeks and 2 days, and because the driving foot, the right foot was the total, I waited that long. I also am back to work almost full-time. Basically, it's basically full-time, but not quite. And I stood up yesterday and cooked my first homemade meal in about 5.5 weeks. When I go to the grocery store, I'm still using our other stores. I'm still using the cart, the motorized carts. Not ready to do that much walking. But I feel like definitely making progress in the right direction, and I feel emotionally like myself pretty much. Sleeping is still a little difficult, but it's not terrible. But I do wake up several times in the middle of the night because I just can't get comfortable. But I can sleep on my side, which is what I prefer. So that's the 6 weeks update.